Did you know that only 1 in 100 people can name every country in the world? Geography is way harder than you think, and today, we're going to test just how much you know. Stay till the end to find out if you're smarter than the average person. Welcome to the Ultimate World Geography Challenge. Here's how it works. You'll face 10 multiple-choice questions on countries, capitals, flags, and landmarks. Keep track of your score and see if you can beat the global average of 6 out of 10. No Googling. Each question gives you 5 seconds to answer. Are you ready to prove your geography genius? Let's begin with question 1. Which country has the most official languages? Answer A, South Africa, 11 official languages. Fun fact, South Africa is often called the Rainbow Nation for its cultural diversity. What is the capital of Canada? Answer B, Ottawa. Fun fact, Toronto is the largest city, but Ottawa is the capital. Which of these countries is landlocked? Answer B, Tanzania. Fun fact, it's the tallest mountain in Africa. Which of these countries is landlocked? Answer B, Hungary. Fun fact, Hungary has no coastline, while Peru and Thailand border oceans. Which flag has a red circle on a white background? Answer A, Japan. Fun fact, minimalist and iconic. Which country spans the most time zones? Answer C, France. Fun fact, thanks to overseas territories, France covers 12 time zones. Which river flows through the most countries? Answer B, Danube, 10 countries. Fun fact, it flows through Central and Eastern Europe. Which country has the most pyramids? Answer B, Sudan. Fun fact, yes, Sudan has more pyramids than Egypt. Which continent has the most countries? Answer A, Africa, 54 countries. Fun fact, the most diverse continent politically and culturally. Where would you find the Taj Mahal? Answer A, India. Fun fact, located in Agra, it's one of the world's new 7 wonders. All done. Now it's time to tally your score. 0 to 3 correct, beginner explorer. 4 to 6 correct, average adventurer. 7 to 9 correct, world traveler. 10 out of 10, global genius. I scored 9 out of 10, what about you? Comment your score below, and no cheating. Geography is more than maps, it's understanding people, culture, nature, and history. In today's global world, knowing geography helps us connect with others and understand global issues better. So if you didn't ace this quiz, don't worry. This is just the beginning of your journey. If you enjoyed this challenge, give this video a big and hit that subscribe button for more brain-boosting quizzes. Comment your score, tag a friend, and test them too. And don't miss our next quiz. Guess the logo in 5 seconds, World Edition. Thanks for joining the Ultimate Geography Challenge. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the world is an amazing place, let's never stop discovering it together. See you in the next video.